What's up everybody? Meet the 2026 Harley-Davidson CVO Road Glide ST, a motorcycle engineered for those who pursue the ultimate in power, performance and innovation. This isn't just a motorcycle, it's a bold statement on two wheels, designed for riders who crave adrenaline and demand the best in both form and function. With its aggressive stance and unmistakable silhouette, the CVO Road Glide ST raises the bar for baggers everywhere. Get ready to experience the ultimate fusion of speed, style, and technology. Let's take a moment to appreciate the CVO Road Glide ST's head-turning style. To start, this bike is available in 3 premium paint schemes: Electric Coast, Inferno Grey, and Citrus Heat Re-Entry. The black trim gives it a sleek and modern edge, bringing out the bike's bold lines and attitude. The tank graphics, featuring that classic Harley-Davidson dropped H and distinctive CVO ST logos on the saddlebags, leave no doubt about its heritage. You'll also notice the gloss black cast aluminium wheels, which not only look aggressive, but because of the use of lightweight materials, also help with nimble handling. The Moto handlebar with a 6-inch riser and switchback collection amp up both comfort and performance presence. With carbon fiber components on the front fender, seat cowl, muffler end cap, and tank console, the CVO Road Glide ST exudes a race-inspired spirit that's ready for anything. If you're all about performance, the CVO Road Glide ST is truly a game changer. At the heart of this beast is a Milwaukee-Eight 121 high-output engine. Plus, with an elevated redline and top speed, you'll always feel ready to push further. Thanks to lightweight carbon fiber components, handling is even more agile and responsive, giving you a real athletic feel in every corner. The dual outboard SHOWA remote reservoir shocks with new braided stainless steel lines deliver precise feedback and control, while premium Brembo brakes make sure you can stop confidently. Altogether, it's a ride that's engineered to deliver excitement and push the limits every time you hit the road. Whether you're carving through city streets or opening up on the highway, the CVO Road Glide ST delivers the kind of acceleration, power, and control that true enthusiasts demand. Performance really shines when you're in command and connected. The CVO Road Glide ST is packed with advanced technology, so you can ride with confidence and enjoy every moment. Rider Safety Enhancements are seamlessly integrated to automatically adjust braking and traction control, giving you confidence through every turn. These electronic systems utilize the latest chassis control, electronic braking control, and powertrain technology. Plus, with 8 ride modes, you can easily tailor the bike's power and handling to suit your mood or the road ahead. Whether you crave the assertive punch of sport mode, the relaxed comfort of road mode, or the adrenaline rush of track mode, each setting transforms the ride to match your style. Offered only on ST models and designed for the racetrack environment, Track Mode and Track Mode Plus put full power performance on tap. And the Harley-Davidson Skyline OS delivers a smart suite of instrumentation and infotainment, keeping you informed and entertained wherever you go. From cutting-edge electronics to immersive sound, the CVO Road Glide ST puts you at the center of it all: style, power, and innovation. There you have it, the new CVO Road Glide ST. Built to thrill, designed to impress, and engineered for the rider who wants it all. Schedule your test ride today and experience performance redefined.